This Megger digital clamp-on ground resistance meter measures ground resistance and current in multi-ground electrical installations and lightning protection systems without needing to disconnect the ground. It has a clamp with two jaws that can close around round cables and rods up to 1.45 inches in diameter, and ground tapes and straps up to 1.96 inches wide to measure resistance without disconnecting the ground. The meter also provides true RMS measurements of current up to 35 amp to help ensure operator safety during operation. The meter has a user-selectable noise filter to allow measurements to be taken in areas with high amounts of electrical noise. The meter's internal data storage allows multiple results to be compared and tracked over time, and readings are date and time stamped for future reference. An alarm notifies the user when the user-selected minimum and maximum values for current and resistance are reached or exceeded. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The hold function keeps a reading on the display, even after the meter is disconnected, in applications where the conductor is difficult to access. An auto hold feature allows a reading to be captured without requiring the operator to press the button during measurement. The meter's liquid crystal display is backlit to provide readability in low light. The clamp jaws have a smooth surface with no interlocking teeth to help prevent the buildup of dirt and residue, which can interfere with measurements. The unit automatically turns off after 5 minutes of non-use to conserve battery life, and a low battery indicator signals when the meter's batteries need to be replaced. This Megger meets International Electrotechnical Commission safety standard and is certified for category installations up to 600 volts, which covers measurements at the source of the low voltage supply, such as electricity meters and overcurrent protection devices. The meter has a wrist strap and comes with a hard plastic carrying case to protect the meter from damage during transport and storage. A finger guard on the body of the meter helps protect fingers from shock. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Digital clamp meter measures ground resistance and current in multi-ground installations without needing to disconnect the ground. Number 2. Provides true RMS measurements of current to help ensure operator safety during operation. Number 3. User-selectable noise filter allows measurements to be taken in areas with high amounts of electrical noise. Number 4. Data storage allows multiple results to be compared and tracked over time. Number 5. Meets International Electrotechnical Commission safety standard and is certified for category installations up to 600 volts. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.